Hello everyone, I'm Saksham back with the updates on TCS Ignite and Smart Hiring. Before I move on to the comments, let me tell you one thing I have seen. I've gone through the comments, and most of the comments are about results. Friends, let me tell you, still the interviews are going on. So unless and until all the interviews are done, the result will not be announced. Okay. So when it will come, nobody knows with surety because once first all the interviews should be completed at all the location, and then there are chances of declaring the results. And as of now, TCS has not declared the results of TCS NQT, which has happened quite long back, right? So when they will declare the results is not sure, but you can hope for August and or September. So that is what you can hope, because I can see majority of the comments are around the results, and then I don't know the results, and I don't think so anybody else also knows. So there is no point of asking for the result. Okay. Already results have come for the students for the past Ignite and Smart Hiring that happened in January, and they are also getting their joining letters. For this one, still, interviews are not completed and results will take time. Okay. So all the results comment I will skip. I will only answer the comments that is other than results. Okay. You can work on joining results. Okay, so I've got it. So documents. I submit according to documents. We submitted in the I you don't submit. You can submit it. I think side three documents are your NCA, non-criminal affidavit, your medical certificate. So this can be submitted later. So you can submit with set 1 and set 2 so that your background check can be initiated. Whatever is missing, they will take from you from your on the email when they start your background check. Okay. So I gave my thesis in intent to the specific like reminder was asked. Yes, there are good chances if your interview went well, they will give you Ignite. And joining letter, nothing can be said. It depends every year. Uh, you know, Sometimes they send early, sometimes it takes time, so nothing can be said. Yes, you should be looking for other jobs in the waiting period, because the more offer you have, the better it is. Okay. Okay, somebody got the offer letter. Congratulations. The event is the 9% interview on 10th of July. Okay, same thing. Then the 3 months interview, no. So results will take time. Revised offer flag 0. So basically, revised offer is somebody has revised your offer if there is a change in the offer letter. Okay, and it's an offer letter as 0. I'm not sure what it is. I got the feedback option yesterday, but I cannot submit the feedback because it's at forbidden access tonight. It happens sometimes the feedback form is not accessible. So that's an error which has been faced by the students. But don't worry, nothing will happen if you don't fill the feedback form. So it's completely fine. Okay. Mm. Now it goes very well. Should I consider I will see the offer letter? If your interview was well, there are high chances that you will get the offer letter, because with Ignite and Smart Hiring candidate, the expectations are not much, and if you completed all the rounds and it was good, then there are high chances. When you are joining date, not sure. Again, you have to wait and watch. Okay, hello sir. Is talking about Ninja Little Prime and TCS Ignite letter for them only, so I can know this is allowed. Right, I have 14th Feb. See, so joining is coming for the 14th Feb. Exam givers for TCS Ignite and Smart Hiring. I think yours should be come soon as well. I get TCS Smart exam for July. Okay, results. So then you will provide feedback from not saying my friends, whatever. That's okay. Not a big thing. Sometimes it shows, sometimes it doesn't shows. Offer letter with interview take time, will take time. Anyone got the selection for TCS Ignite role? So for the interviews that were happened in July, nobody have got the results so far. Okay. Okay, so I think there are no other comments. Expect the results. So now only I will make the video if there are comments, other than results, and because I don't have, any clarity on when the results will come, and so it doesn't make sense to make any video. So we'll answer only if there are comments apart from results. All right. So thank you so much.